Hey, what's up, everyone? iPhone 14 has a great camera, like those sensors, those new 48 megapixel and other stuffs. But beside that, iPhone 14 has a great camera applications, and now you can use that camera app on your any Android phone or any Android device. And the best part is it has all those filter. As you can see, you can just simply select these new filters and capture photos at the same time. Even before capturing, so you just get to see the view of these filter actions, and simply pressing on there you are good to go. As it's a free apps, it has like all free applications of Android. It has ads. That's not much annoying, but for at first you can have to see this. As you can see, the pictures I have captured with these filters itself, and that's only a good thing about these camera apps from this iPhone 14. It is still in develop, so it doesn't have all those functions, but I really like these filter options. So with this filter you can even capture portrait, video, or slow-mo. That's really nice. So if you wanna try these applications, which is iPhone 14 Pro camera app on your Android phone, you can just simply download it from the descriptions. And don't forget to hit the like, or if you face any problem, just simply comment it below. Thank you guys for watching. The like and subscribe. I'm Chuan, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.